And go ahead and turn the grinder off when the basket's full. Next thing I do is settle the coffee, which is this motion. And I settle a few times. Every time that you settle, you're going to be able to fit another gram of espresso grinds into the basket. So that's why you do that, is to fit a little bit more coffee, get a little bit more flavor out of it. After you settle it, you can go ahead and pull it a few more times, fill it back up. Now the basket's full, and what you're going to see me do next is level off the coffee in the top of the basket. And I'm going to go ahead and, for now, level it off into the dosing chamber, and we can empty that later. What I'm going to be doing is not only leveling it off to make a nice, flat, clean surface on the top of the basket, but also push around the coffee in the basket in such a way to where the coffee is evenly distributed within the basket. Alrighty. The reason that you do that is if the coffee isn't evenly distributed and there's an area in the basket where you have less coffee than another spot, that creates a path of least resistance for the water to travel through, and that's an extraction flaw, and you're going to be able to taste that in the end product, in this shot of espresso.